Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, I want to show you how to convert multiple Excel sheets into one PDF. Again, how to convert the workbook of Excel into one PDF. So on the desktop here, I do have Excel workbook, so I'm going to double click it. All right, so this is opened. You would see that I do have multiple Excel sheets here. You'll see I have one Excel sheet here, and then I have the other one, which is disclaimer. So I want to convert this workbook to one PDF file. So what do I do first? I just have to format this sheets. So I will go to the page layout. I want to change the orientation to landscape. So I go to the next worksheet there, click on it, go back to my page layout, click the orientation, change it to landscape. Now that we're done converting the page orientation for the two worksheets, you can do the same thing if you have multiple worksheets. Okay, so go to File tab, go to Save As, click on Save As. Now hover your mouse to where you would see Browse, click on Browse. Great. Come to Save As, click the more arrow, choose PDF, put the exact name of the file that you want here where you have file name. Now come down here, click on Options. Now go to Publish What, choose Entire Workbook, click OK. Here, from the navigation pane here, choose the exact place or location where you want the PDF file to be saved. So I'm going to choose desktop. Then come over here and click Save. Let's go to our desktop. Now this is it. Okay, I'm going to double click this. Now that the file is open, you would see I'm going to scroll the way down. Now this was the first Excel sheet, and this was the second Excel sheet. All right, in one PDF file. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, remember to like, make comments, and allow the ads to run because it does help this channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.